Israel arrests 18 Palestinians in West Bank. Israel reduces Gaza fishing zone after rocket fire. Palestinian refuses to take deduced tax from Israel. Erdogan and Trump discuss Russian S-400 working group bid. More than 1 million Iraqis still displaced, official. Gunmen attack Libya's largest oil field. Russia said Idlib not to be safe zone for terrorists. Libya clashes renews as rival seeks to control Tripoli. Sudan military and opposition stall in transitional talks. Russia and Bangladesh foreign minister meet in Moscow. Pakistan reiterates commitment for stable Afghanistan. Voting ends in fourth phase of Indian general elections.